The document IS 7310-1, 1974, Approval Tests for Welding Procedures, Part I, Fusion Welding of Steel, is a key Indian standard that provides a comprehensive framework for the approval of welding procedures to ensure the integrity, strength, and quality of welded joints in steel structures. Below is a more detailed explanation of its contents, 1. Purpose and importance. The standard aims to establish guidelines for qualifying welding procedures that produce welds meeting required mechanical properties and quality standards. It ensures consistency in weld quality, safety, and performance across various industries, including construction, infrastructure, shipbuilding, and manufacturing. 2. Welding Procedure Specification, WPS. A welding procedure specification is a formal document that describes all the parameters necessary to produce a weld. Contents of a WPS: welding process, example, manual metal arc welding, gas-shielded arc welding, base materials and filler materials, welding positions, flat, horizontal, vertical, preheat and interpass temperatures, types of joints and weld preparations. 3. Tests for approval. A. Mechanical tests. These tests evaluate the strength and ductility of welded joints. 1. Tensile test measures the tensile strength of the weld and the parent metal. 2. Bend test includes face and root bend tests to check weld ductility and soundness. 3. Impact test assesses toughness, especially for materials used in low-temperature environments. D. Non-destructive testing, NDT. These tests identify surface and internal defects without damaging the weld. 1. Visual inspection checks for surface flaws like cracks, porosity, or undercut. 2. Radiographic or ultrasonic testing detects internal discontinuities within the weld metal. 4. Acceptance criteria. Welds must meet specified standards for mechanical properties, including tensile strength, bend properties, and absence of defects. The acceptance limits for flaws like cracks, lack of fusion, and porosity are defined. 5. Procedure Qualification Record, PQR. A detailed report documenting the results of all tests performed on the weld sample. It serves as evidence that the procedure is capable of producing acceptable welds under specified conditions. 6. Applications and limitations. The standard is applicable to the fusion welding of carbon and alloy steels. It is used in industries requiring high structural reliability, such as bridge construction, to ensure joints can handle dynamic loads. Pressure vessels, for maintaining safety under high pressure and temperature. Shipbuilding and railways, for robust, long-lasting structural welds. 7. Quality control and compliance. Welders using approved procedures must follow documented WPS strictly. Continuous inspection and requalification may be required if process variables change. This standard promotes best practices in welding, enhancing structural safety and performance by ensuring that only thoroughly tested and proven welding procedures are used in critical applications.